video, we'll discuss about enumerate function. So before getting to know what is enumerate function, let me ask you, consider we have a list of electronic items. So this list contains some electronic items like headphone, TV, laptop, and we have pen drive. My question to you is, I want to print both the index number as well as items in this list. So how you can print both index and items? Any idea? Yes. Immediate answer you can tell us using for loop. So how we will do? You will take a variable, initialize it to 0, and for I in electronic items, what you will do? Print I and then increment your variable. So this is how most of you might be thinking. You will print both index and items from this list. So here, if you give only I, it prints only the items of this list. You have to mention your variable name as well. So we have taken here variable name as n. So print n, comma I. Let's run this. Here you can see that we have got 4 items from our list as well as indexes of those items. So this is one method we use to print index along with their items. Now, I'll show you one awesome feature in Python to do the same work. So this is second method. So here comes our enumerate function. We can make use of this enumerate function when we want to print or when we want to use both index as well as items from that list. So this is mostly used when we want to keep track of number of iterations. So what is the syntax for using this enumerate function? Let's see. We'll have the same list for I in, we have to write enumerate and then give your iterable name. So here our iterable is electronic items. Now we'll just print this I. I'll comment these lines. Let's run this and check what happens. So here you can see that we did not initialize any variable, but still using enumerate function, we are able to print both index as well as its corresponding item. So now the syntax of enumerate function is your iterable and start. That is enumerate, iterable, comma start. So what is this start now? Let me use for loop again for I and enumerate. I'll take the same electronic items, comma, now I'll mention 100 here. Print this. This time we'll print the output in the form of list. Let's run this. So what happened here? Here, by mentioning the start value, we are changing the index of corresponding item in the list. So using this start value, you can change the index of list. That is, always by default, if you don't mention any value to that index, what happens? Index always starts from 0. This every one of us know. So we are changing the index from 0 to 100. That is, whatever value we want, we can change using this enumerate function. I hope now you are clear how to make use of this enumerate function and how easy it is to write code using this built-in enumerate function. If you like our videos to support us, leave us a feedback in the comment section. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, request you to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.